Standard 7, practice at 25. Before that, we'll study BODMAS rule. In the BODMAS rule, means it is a bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So if there are so many operations, so first we have to solve the bracket. So first carry out the operations given in the bracket. And if more than one operation is to be carried out, then multiplication and divisions are carried out first in the order in which they occur from left to right, and after that addition and subtraction are carried out in the order in which they occur from left to right. If there are more than one operations in one bracket, follow the above two rules while carrying the operations. Okay, so suppose division and multiplication is there, then from the left to right, whatever the order, in that order we have to solve. So first divide and then multiply. Practice at 25. First question, 50 into 5 divided by 2 plus 24. Now multiplication and division. So first we'll solve multiplication, because if multiplication and division comes together, so we have to see which operation comes first in the left to right order. So now multiplication is first, so first we'll solve the multiplication and then we'll divide. So 50 into 5 is 250. Write the remaining number as it is. Now first we'll solve the division. So 250 divided by 2 is 125 plus 24 is 149. Now second question, here we will solve the bracket first. So 13 into 4 is 52 divided by 2 minus 26. Now first division, 52 divided by 2 is 26 minus 26, so answer is 0. Question number 3, 140 divided by, in square bracket, minus 11 into minus 3, minus of minus 42 dividing minus 14 plus 2. So first we'll solve the bracket. We'll see what is given in the bracket. So first is multiplication. So we'll multiply this number. Minus 11 into minus 3 is plus 33. This minus of minus 42, we can change this side as plus 42. Divide 14 minus 1. Now in this first we will solve the division. 33 plus 42 divided by 14 minus 1. So first we will do this division. So this is 33. 42 divided by 14. 14 3s are 42. So plus 3 minus 1. Now this is 140. Now we'll addition and subtraction. So in the order how it comes. 33 plus 3, 36 minus 1. Now 36 minus 1 is 35. Now 140 divided by 35. 35 2s are 70 and 4s are 140. So 4 is the answer. Fourth question. In the curly bracket, 220 minus 140 plus, in the square bracket, 10 into 9 plus minus 2 into 5. Okay, this is circle bracket, then closing the square bracket and closing the curly bracket, minus 100. So first we'll solve this curly bracket. Inside that, whatever given we'll try to solve. Now in this bracket is separately and this is separately. So together we can solve both the bracket. So 220 minus 140 is 80. Curly bracket. We have solved this bracket, so I'm not drawing that bracket. Plus in the square bracket, we can solve this bracket and at the same time we can do this multiplication also. So this is 90 plus, this is minus 10 minus 100. Now 80 plus, now this is 90 plus minus will become minus 10 minus 100. This is 80 plus 90 minus 10 is 80 minus 100. So 80 plus 80 is 160 minus 100, that is equal to 60. Question number 5 is a fraction. 3 upon 5 plus 3 upon 8 divided by 6 upon 4. So first we have to do this division. So for fraction division we have to convert into multiplication by writing the multiplicative inverse. So 6 upon 4 will become 4 upon 6. Now here we can do the cancellation if it is divisible. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this is 3 upon 5 plus 1 ones are 1 and 2 twos are 4. Now we have to find out the LCM of 5 and 4. It will be 20. So this 3 upon 5 I'll multiply by 4, and to this 1 upon 4 I'll multiply by 5. So this is 12 upon 20 plus 5 upon 20. Now the denominator is same. Add the numerator, that is 17 upon 20. This is the answer.